How to use Steam on a Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the settings of your Chromebook, then go to developers, and over there click on the option of Linux. Then you need to install Linux in your Chromebook. Then you need to open up Chrome Flex, and this is how it will appear. Just simply open up your Chrome and then open up the link for Chrome Flex, and in the Flex simply search for GPU support over here. Then enable this particular GPU support, and it is cross-train GPU support. Now you need to search for pointer lock. After that, enable that as well. Now you need to reboot your Chromebook, and after rebooting your Chromebook, you need to open up Linux terminal, and in Linux terminal you need to type this particular code. I will be providing this code in the description. Just simply copy it and paste it from there, and after that you need to reboot your Chromebook again. Then this time just open up Linux terminal and just type Steam and hit enter, and this way you would be able to open up Steam, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.